Hotels face smoking and odor problems daily. Dirty hotel room, cleaning staff working hard. Too many harsh chemicals used, higher costs and unhappy guests. Each incident can cost $1,000 plus in recovery. Source: AHLA. Hotels losing reviews and too much complaints leading to less booking with low occupancy rate. 1 in 10 hotel reviews mention smoking. Source: San Diego State University. It's time for smart upgrade and use of technology at the fullest. It's time for patented technology Alerteer. Patented technology Alerteer Smart Sensors monitor 24/7 smoking, vaping, marijuana and other harmful gases. Instant alerts stop damage before it spreads. Happy guest leaving 5-star review as the hotel smells like home. Hotels cut odor complaints by up to 70%. Call 8444-ALERTEER. Email sales@alerteer.com.